In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a value from the gift card section in the Fresha dashboard. It's a simple process, but walking through it step by step ensures you can do it smoothly and efficiently. So let's jump right into it. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to the Fresha dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to get yourself oriented. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a vertical menu. Among these options is a small gear icon. This is your settings button, which is a crucial part of today's task. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, a new panel of options will appear. Now, what we're looking for here is the sales section. This area is dedicated to everything related to the selling process in Fresha, and conveniently enough, it includes our next point of focus. So go ahead and click on Sales. After clicking on the Sales category, look over to the left side once more, and you'll see an option that says Gift Cards. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on gift cards will take you to a new page filled with various settings that you can adjust according to your business needs. Now, as you scan through the page, you'll see an Edit button positioned centrally on the screen. By clicking on this, you'll be able to access and modify the values associated with your gift cards. Carefully go over the list of values displayed. They represent the available options that customers can purchase. Now, it's essential to identify the specific value that you want to remove. The layout should be quite straightforward, with the values clearly listed. Once you've pinpointed the exact value that you want to eliminate, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. There will be a trash can icon right next to it. Clicking this icon is the step you'll take to remove the unwanted value. With that done, you'll still need to confirm your changes before everything is finalized. Look to the top of the page once more, and you should see a Save button. This step is as important as every other, because if changes aren't saved, they'll be lost once you leave the page. So make sure to click Save to ensure your adjustments are recorded and effective. And there you have it. You've now successfully removed a value from the gift cards section in the Fresha dashboard. By following these steps, you can streamline your gift card options to better suit current business needs or promotions. Remember, having the right gift card options can enhance customer satisfaction and potentially boost sales. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to guiding you through more useful